Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be planning for the week of December 23rd through the 29th in both of my planners in wellness. So the first one is my meal planner, which is called Cooking 101. And then the second one is my wellness planner. So let's start with the meal planner. I'm going to be using the sticker book from Live Love Posh called Holly Jolly. It is super lovely. She has lots of really beautiful stickers in here, and I want something fun and bright to end the year. So usually with these, because they're so functional, I keep them pretty simple. I don't overwhelm my planner with stickers, as I do need to keep everything pretty functional for those two planners. I have a lot of fun in my catch-all decorating, but all of my planners have a purpose and they are functional, and that's what I plan to do with them. So I'm sorry, this is a little out of focus. I got too close to the camera, but anyway, I'm back. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these really beautiful kind of glowing stickers down. I think they're gorgeous. Let me know what you think. This is a little short, so I'm going to fill it in with something else. But that's okay. Like I said, I'm going to be keeping this pretty simple, so bear with me as I do that. But there's this small little guy up here, and I can fill it in. And it kind of fits underneath the hole punch, which is nice. So yeah, there we go. Okay. And then florals, I'm gonna go ahead and use them kind of all over, so bear with me as I do that. We're gonna go ahead and add them to multiple things here. First off, I'm gonna put them like right on the edge, the smaller piece, and then this one is gonna be hanging upside down into here, and then yeah, that will work. I'm gonna add florals to the other side as well, kind of sticking out like so, and I'll add another piece as well. But yeah, this is absolutely lovely. This is such a fun sticker book, and yes, I love that all of these like greeneries have so much color in them. Like I said, it's a little fun spread, especially now we have snow in my town. We had I think almost 2 inches of snowfall. So yeah, I really enjoy colors when everything is so white and bleak, you know? Okay, so I think color-wise this is done. Actually, let's add something to the top. How about this washi tape? I'm gonna cut it down just a little and then added that. Look at that. This kind of reminds me of like glass and stained windows, you guys. So yeah. Also, if you're enjoying this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would really appreciate it. It makes me so happy when my tribe grows, you guys. So I would truly appreciate you doing that. So let's go ahead and add like all of my meal plans for this week, and then we'll go from there. So first, of course, is going to be very simple. So we're going to be doing toast as always, probably with butter or goat cheese or something like that, because I still work on Monday and it's gonna be a huge day, at least for me. So I'm gonna have leftovers from Sunday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that for lunch, and then I'm gonna grab my cheat sheet. So I have this cheat sheet of different meals, and then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of pick from here and go from there. Let's see. How about chicken fajitas? So that should be pretty simple and quick. So on Tuesday, I'm gonna just do a quick toast with like a goat cheese, and then for the rest of the day until dinner we fast, because we have this huge 12-dish dinner on Christmas Eve, and none of it contains meat. So it's a vegetarian's dream come true, even though I'm not a vegetarian. These are pretty amazing. So then we're gonna have leftovers from breakfast. Usually there's like different things in that dinner that you can make for breakfast, which is great. And then Christmas dinner is of course with family, kind of normal, just like most people. And then let's do the rest. So we're gonna do toast with butter both of those days, so Thursday and Friday. And then I'm gonna have leftovers on Thursday because I'm gonna be at work, so that'll be my lunch. And then we have dinner out with families both Friday and Saturday, so we'll go ahead and do that. And then, as I explained in my previous video, my gush on my hand, on my finger, is from burn that I burned myself while baking, and I was told to keep it uncovered so it can heal. So I apologize that it looks so hideous and atrocious, but I need to keep it kind of uncovered in order for it to properly heal all the way. Because otherwise it gets like moisture and like the whole skin sloughs off. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do dinner. So I probably will do something simple like steak and quinoa to do that. Friday we'll probably do snacks for lunch as always. And yeah, let's see what else I can come up with here. So how about I do chicken tacos? Those are pretty simple, and we're going to be exhausted from all of the holidaying, so something simple will be great. And then bacon and eggs, I like doing that. And then eggs with tomato, chives, and toast is something that I love to make as well. So yeah, that should be pretty simple. And then snacks up here. Okay, let's put this back in and go from there. So this is my meal plan, and now let's go into my wellness planner, which is Celestial Elegance. And yes, this is the last week in this planner as well. And then I get to move into the new planner. Whenever I finish a planner, it is so satisfying. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but I'm gonna make this one also super fun and super simple. So I'm still gonna use the same, actually the Holly Jolly book. So let's go ahead and use these big like elements that are Christmassy yet very whimsical. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do pink dots for my meals, and then like these teal green dots for my stats that I'm keeping, and then we can go from there. Yeah, okay, that works. And then let's go ahead and pick the other color. Like I said, it is a greenish teal. It is so lovely. And again, these are click art. They're called Zig Art pens, and I really, really like them. Like I said in previous videos as well, these are aging really well. I think I had them for over 5 years, and all of them still work. I don't have a single one that is not working. So Zebra always knows what they're doing when it comes to pens, or at least I think so. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these lovely, they look like snow arches, which are so beautiful. Yeah, and let's keep going with all of these decorations. So I'm gonna add some Christmas trees. They're super, super cute. Like I said, I really enjoy this whimsical, fun sticker collection from Live Love Posh. I'm gonna use these two like candy canes, and I'm gonna make a heart because why not? Look at that. Now we have a heart. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going because I still have quite a bit of space to decorate. So bear with me as I do that. But yeah, we'll be almost done. And as always, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would truly appreciate if you would consider subscribing. It warms my heart seeing all of you guys join my tribe and grow and experiencing planning with me. It brings me enormous joy to share all of the spreads and goodies and everything with you guys, as well as ideas and just the community of planning for all of us. So I think that is pretty incredible. So let's go ahead and do all of this together, like so. I'm just gonna add this ho ho ho, and we are done. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner, and thank you so much for watching and joining, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, wonderful holiday if you don't celebrate Christmas, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me as always. Stay warm and see you soon. Bye.